So those are some of the outfits that I'm going to be showing you. Yes, I realize that intro was similar to the last one, but sorry, not sorry. Alright, let's get to the video. I just want you to know, we have been brainwashed into thinking that we need new things all the time, and we really don't. But I do know it's fun to keep up with trends, and shopping can be kind of an outlet for us and a way to express ourselves. So if you want to still do that and you want to stay on top of trends, just know they're all recycled trends, and that means we can find these things. They've already been made and they're just waiting for you at your local thrift store, or even in your closet. Maybe you have them from the past, or somebody in your family has them, or you can do some simple sewing to recreate these looks using things that you already have. So that's what I'm going to show you how I did today. I'm going to show you how I did that today, and all of these outfits are pretty accessible. They're not too out there. I wanted them to feel like things that you could actually wear. So let's get to the video. Also, hey, that was weird. Hey, I'm Emily Stuebing. Welcome to my channel. Wow, I sound so like overly excited. But I am really excited that you're here. You are my new favorite person for being here. Like, seriously, thank you so much for clicking on this video and checking it out. It means so much to me. And if you like it or find it at all helpful, it would mean the world to me if you would help me out too and subscribe to my channel and like this video. Alright, now let's get to this video. I've got all these outfits to show you. Let's do it. Alright, kicking things off with outfit number 1, I have these just under the knee square toe brown boots with an oversized blazer, a brown dress, and this crossbody bag. And for this outfit, I really decided that I wanted to do something with the color brown, even though I feel like that is a 2020 trend, yes. However, before you come for me and tell me any of these are 2020 trends, I know some of them are, but I think more than ever before, it's okay to do that because we didn't get to wear 2020 trends anywhere. So I'm definitely going to be wearing things from last year, and I feel like browns are still definitely on trend. So that's what I was going for with this first outfit, and I also have this oversized blazer because those are very in as well. So there's nothing like super crazy about this one. It's just simple, easy to wear, goes from day to night, and yeah. Alright, continuing with the kind of brown theme, I have this shirt, which as you can see is very rough around the edges because I haven't bothered to like fold it under and hem it yet, but I feel like it's also really big right now to do that like deconstructed raw edge look. So if you find, like this was originally a dress, if you find a ribbed dress like this, you can really easily turn it into the same thing. So just look for a turtleneck ribbed dress that's pretty form-fitting and stretchy, and then I just cut out the top, and this, and like, it doesn't get any easier. I've been seeing this top everywhere too, and I swear, yeah, it couldn't get any easier to make. I will definitely finish off these edges eventually though, because I personally don't like that completely unfinished look, but if you do, hey, more power to you. And I just paired this with some vintage wide leg jeans, and you can tell they're vintage because they're not as comfy as today's jeans, but I don't think they look too bad, so that is the second look. For this next trend, I'm sure you've all seen it. It is sweater vests. These are all over the place, and this is kind of a 2020 trend also, but I think we're still going to be wearing them in 2021. And another 2021 trend is not just mini skirts, but they're calling them micro mini skirts. So that's what I have here, which I also thrifted, and I paired that with some boots that stop just below the knee and that also have a square toe, and I again thrifted every single part of this outfit. Alright, for the next outfit we have something, oh, this is heavy. We have something super casual. So on top, I just have a white crop top and an oversized zip-up hoodie. And on the bottom, I have some wide leg pants, and they even have some patches because I feel like patchwork is huge right now, and so are oversized pants, which is honestly my favorite trend of this year. I will never go back to skinny jeans. These are so comfortable, and you know how when you wear skinny jeans, you come home and the first thing you do is like try and get out of them, but these just feel like you're still in pajamas. These you can actually wear at home and out and about. I'm obsessed. So if you want to recreate these, these were 2 sizes too big, a size 6. So I took them in at the waist, and then I also wanted to turn a pair of black pants and just shorts that I already had. So that worked really well because then I just used the bottom of it to attach as patches. Super, super easy way to keep on trend. All right, now there's definitely nothing novel to this next outfit, but black and white, your classic black and white outfit, I feel like it never went out of style, but it's definitely in style right now to do black and white. And it's also in style to do like big statement belts to pull everything together. So I made this outfit really simple and easy to recreate. I just have this plain black slip dress underneath and a men's button-down white shirt over it, and then I put it together with this belt and the same knee-high boots. I really love how it turned out. This is a belt that I made, and I will say it was super easy to make, and I found all of the materials at Joann Fabrics, but everything else I got at the thrift store. All right, also we all know that leather jackets are very in right now, especially these like oversized long ones. So I found one of those at the thrift store, and at $20, it was the single most expensive item I have ever gotten at a thrift store, but it was so worth it because it's really good quality. It's from Jones, New York, and I've worn it a ton of times already. So yes, there's that leather jacket. This turtleneck dress, it was only $3.50 from the thrift store, and it has this really cute detail on the side. Here was the inspiration for that outfit. So yeah, I did the kind of a similar thing where I just paired it with a leather jacket, and I actually like it even better so that it's a turtleneck because it's really in right now, and I also like that since it's so short on bottom, I'm completely covered on top. Continuing with the black and white trend, we also have this black sleeveless turtleneck, which I'm surprised that I found a sleeveless turtleneck top, but I kind of like it because it doesn't add too much bulk underneath the look. So yes, we have that, which I just paired with this white button-down dress, which I actually got from I got from H&M. Sorry, I would not shop at Forever 21. I got this from H&M, which don't hate me that I got one thing at a fast fashion store. I basically never do, and if I do, that's probably the only one that I like to support just because I know they're not there yet in terms of sustainability, and people call what they're doing greenwashing, but to me, it seems like they're making a big effort to actually be leaders in the fashion industry toward becoming more sustainable. And no, they're not there yet, but it's a huge operation that's going to take many years to completely change. And they really are making big strides toward becoming more sustainable. So if you're buying from their sustainable collection, I really do think it's a decent brand to support. So if you want to buy something cheap from somewhere and you need something from a fast fashion brand, I understand, but this would be the one that I would recommend supporting. But everyone has their own opinion on that. Also, that was originally much larger at the side, so I just took it in a little bit, although I kind of like the oversized look too, so I almost wish I would have left it, but yeah, there's that. And I also like that it has big sleeves because puffy sleeves are in this year as well. So yeah, there's that look. Again, continuing with black and white, and also the zebra print trend, which I don't know if this is a 2020 or 2021 trend, to be honest. I feel like cow print is bigger now, but whatever. I found a zebra print dress, so I went with it. Also, here's what this look was inspired by. So when I found the zebra dress, I was like, okay, perfect. And here's what the original looked like. To change it to this, I took it in at the sides, and then that belt that was tied around the waist, I turned into several straps, and then I made a casing here on the inside and pulled the straps through it so that it gives it that ruched effect and makes it shorter and sexier and cuter. So yeah, I really like that look. From one crazy print to another. I don't know if you can see the texture of the shirt, but I feel like these textured crazy print shirts are very in right now, and so is layering. So I paired this with a white crop top and leather jacket, and then some flared black 70s style pants, and 70s style stuff is very in right now too. So yeah, I actually didn't do anything to change that look, so that one's super simple and is one that you could easily recreate as well. Now, continuing with the leather jacket looks, I just have a plain black crop top which I paired with these pants that I created. Oh my god, I have seen these pants everywhere on every influencer and celebrity. So here was some of my inspiration for this look. And here you can see also what the pants looked like originally. They were so easy to recreate. To make these, I just got a pair of black flared leggings that were too big for me, and then I took them in at the side, and the extra fabric from the sides I turned into these straps. And then obviously they're super long because they're the length of the side of the pants, so you have more than enough fabric. And then I just created this casing like you can see on the inside. Normally I would do that a little bit better and like fold in the edge so that you can't see it, but I was in a hurry and didn't really care. So I made that little casing, stuck the straps inside, sewed them in place, and that's all there is to it. It is so easy, and I'm telling you, if you don't sew, this is your sign that you should start, because it makes life so much better, honestly. It is the best, most empowering feeling knowing that you can make anything you buy fit your body perfectly, and if you see something online that you want but you don't want to spend the money on, you can just make it yourself. It is the best feeling. So this is your sign to start. There's honestly no excuse because there are tutorials out there for everything. And I know people will say, I don't have time, but if you have time to watch Netflix at night, you have time to learn how to sew, because you can learn to sew while watching Netflix. It is so easy. And if you don't have a sewing machine, just check if somebody in your family does. I still use my mom's 20-year-old sewing machine and it works just fine. And last but not least, we have our like sorbet pastel outfit. This I honestly think is a pajama shirt. Why did I say piano? A pajama shirt, which also means that it's super soft. So yeah, I have that, which I just took in at the sides and I cropped. And then I also got this skirt, which I can show you the originals of both of these now. This was just really long and too big, so I took it in and then I added a little slit to make it more flirty and fun and summery. And I got this matching green little purse to go with the outfit. So I'm really happy with that, how that turned out. Actually, I didn't think I was gonna be a fan of the whole pastel trend, but I love this look. So that is the last one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you liked it or found it helpful at all, I would really appreciate if you help me out too and subscribe to this channel or comment or like the video. Like, it all means so much to me, and I notice every last like and comment and subscription. So yes, it would mean the world to me. Also, please do comment below though, for real, and let me know if there are any other like specific outfits that you want me to recreate. I'm always looking for new video ideas, and I can show you guys how to make pretty much anything. So let me know if you have any ideas for me. But yes, that's all I have for you today. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.